Are you a travel freak or have itchy feet? Then you have most probably visited the temple town of Udupi on the western coast of Karnataka and cast your footprint on the Malpe beach. In this vlog, we cover the spectacular sandy shores of the Kaup beach, 20 kilometers from Udupi and located on the Mangalore to Udupi highway. Its main attraction is a lighthouse, which was constructed by the British in 1901 and helped ships to navigate during the pre-satellite navigation era. The lighthouse is open for tourists from 4 to 6 pm, offering breathtaking sunset views.
From Kaup Beach, we move on to the next attraction. Welcome to St. Mary's Island, Karnataka's hidden gem in the Arabian Sea. Stick around because what you're about to see is absolutely mind-blowing. St. Mary's Island is one of the most unique geological wonders in India. It's located just off the coast of Malpe near Udupi. This place isn't just beautiful, it's a piece of Earth's history. Wondering how to reach there? Well, you can take the ferry from the Malpe beach and it's just a short 15 to 20 minutes ride to the island. Boats ferry passengers every day between 9 am to 5 pm and the island remains closed during the monsoon season. So the tourist activity is only allowed from the month of September to the month of May. There are few food stalls in the island, so there's no need to carry water and snacks. It's an eco-sensitive zone, so do not litter and keep it absolutely clean.
Have you ever seen rocks that look like nature's own Lego blocks? Well, these hexagonal basalt rock formations are over 60 million years old, formed by volcanic activity. And here's the cool fact. Vasco da Gama is believed to have landed here in 1498 before heading to Calicut.
A lot of tourists visit the St. Mary's Island every year. Crystal clear water, untouched beaches, and the incredible rock formations are the prime attractions. This is a place which is perfect for photography, for nature walks, and just soaking in the serenity. The ferry tickets are priced at 300 rupees for adults and 150 for kids. Drone cameras are charged at rupees 500 and all other action cameras and DSLRs are charged at rupees 250.